You wouldn't know it by looking at the recipes that we often do in this channel, but sometimes I actually do eat healthy. And today we're going to be making a healthier recipe that is a basic Caesar salad. This recipe starts off with boiling water and 1 egg. We are going to soft boil this egg for 1 minute and then pull it out of the water. It's a much brighter flavor than a lot of the Caesar salad dressings that I'm used to today. However, it tastes good. It's more lemony because of all of that fresh lemon juice, the 1/4 cup of lemon juice that was in there. I think it definitely needs a little bit more of that deeper, darker flavor that some of that anchovy paste would have brought. Perhaps maybe even a little bit more of the Worcestershire would have helped. There wasn't a whole lot of Worcestershire with only a teaspoon. But it's a nice little salad. I'm definitely going to eat all of this, and it's going to go along with that meatball recipe that I'm making, which you're going to want to check out. I'll make sure to put a link to it over here. We'll see you next time on Recipe Reviver.